Here's the easiest way to send anonymous emails. You have to open a browser and open this website anonymousemail.me. Once you are in this website, and now if you want to change sender email address, then you can change the email address from here. I'm going to leave as it is, and in this to field you have to add the recipient email address whom you want to send an anonymous email. And if you want to add a optional recipient, you can add another recipient email address here. And now here we can see the subject field. So right here your subject email address, and in this email body all you have to need, go ahead and write your anonymous email, and then you have to verify you are a human, and then click on send email. And here we can see the anonymous email successfully sent. And now I'm going to opening my email address to show you. And here as you can see I received a anonymous email.